Hey guys, it is Colin, and we are doing a prank call to Xbox. Let's go.
Thank you for calling Microsoft Store. Para obtener soporte en español, presione 2. To help us improve our quality of service, this call may be recorded or monitored.
For questions before you buy or to purchase a product from Microsoft Store, press 1. For order status, billing, shipping, or refunds, press 2. For all technical support, including getting your downloadable product on your device, or for product support after it's been installed, press 3.
For Windows Mobile Phone, press 1. For all other products, press 2. Please have your Microsoft Store order number and email address ready for faster processing. Please hold while we connect your call. Welcome to Microsoft Sales Support. My name is Christina. May I have your first name, please?
Bob.
Hello, Bob. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. And how can Microsoft assist you today, Bob?
On my Xbox, there is like a crack in it.
Your Xbox has a crack in it, okay? I'm sorry to hear that. Did it come to you that way?
Yeah.
Alright. Was it ordered from the Microsoft Store online?
Yeah.
Okay. May I have the order number for this, please?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright. Do you have an actual order number for this?
No, I actually don't. I have no idea because I got it thrown away. Like the box and everything.
Alright. May I have a good phone number for you, Bob?
What?
Your phone number, please.
262. No, it's actually 888 787 0275.
Thanks for this, Bob. Could you repeat the number, please?
I kind of forgot it.
Alright, now this time I do need to advise that all calls are being recorded. Do you have an actual issue?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna have to go. That was kind of strange. Yeah. Yeah. See you guys. Yeah. Go follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Subscribe, and peace out.